Alrighty, what you see here is a Sony mirrorless Alpha 6000 with a dual lens kit. Let us unbox it and see how it goes. So we will get that going, preferably with something sharp, as long as we're careful. Here it comes. So we've got our documents for later. Now this has the strap. Gonna have the longer telephoto lens and lens hood. What we'll do here is get all the plastic undone and out of the way. Then the hood snaps and turns into place. There is our telephoto zoom 55 through 210 millimeter. We should get a camera system and a battery and the standard wide-angle lens comes pre-equipped on the system. And then in the Sony, we will line up the white dot and fasten the lens to the system for practice. With that in mind, let me set up the zoom lens. Once again, white dot to white dot. Should set down and hold the system, turn and click. Now what we do, we get a battery charged and a card put in there. We'll be ready to go. This is my standard wide angle lens to hold on to. Which is a prime E-mount series lens with prime zoom. It does not zoom in and out. Spare cord and we also have battery in the box. Eyepiece mount. That we'll figure out here in a little bit. Battery. That's the first step. It's battery. And an SD card. Snap the package into right above the card. Give it some time. There is the card. Keep it apart, away from the leads. There's adapter. Across the bottom of the box. Now we have 164 gigabyte SD card. Label's gonna go toward the eyepiece. Insert the card. There's no cradle to the battery on a Sony system, so we'll mount the battery and plug it on into the wall. Put the flap lid down, flick the switch toward the front of you to latch it. And now we'll plug it on into the wall. So we will finish this up and get a demonstration going for later. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.